Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Dipanjan Kumar De. Today we are going to learn about different type of factorial design. So in this lecture, the learner will be understand the different type of factorial design, what is factorial design, and the treatment combination, how to write, how to find the number of treatment combination and layout of factorial design. Okay, this is lecture number 3. This is lecture number 3. I will explain different type of factorial design. As you know, already we have discussed the factorial design is totally depends upon independent variable and dependent variables. Okay, the dependent variables is known as label and independent variable is known as factor. You already know this thing. Okay, so what is actually, once again I repeat, once again recall, that is definition of factorial design. That is when you have multiple independent variable, when you have multiple independent variable, when you have multiple independent variables, that is multiple independent variables means more than one. You can say more than one. So multiple independent variables in a single study, in a single study is known as factorial design. Factorial design is known as factorial design. When you have multiple independent variables, that is more than one in a single study is known as factorial design. That means for factorial design, there should be more than one independent variable. Okay, more than one, that is 2, 3, 4 or 5, etc. Okay, for example, multiple linear regression model is multiple. For example, you can say, for example, real life example, for example, multiple linear regression model, multiple linear regression model is is one type of factorial design, because multiple regression model you have more than one independent variable. We study multiple linear regression model, multiple linear regression model, you have more than one independent variable. We study, so it is one type of factorial design. So factorial design, that is totally depends upon the factor. Factor is also known as independent variable. Factor is also known as independent variable, is known as factor. So totally depends upon the factor. How many factors are there? That is more than one factor. So factorial design depends upon factors and label. We can write factorial design depends upon factor and label. Labels means dependent variable and Factor means independent variable. IV. Independent variable. This is IV. Factors and level. Okay. So the type of factorial design, is, that is the type of factorial design types, that is uh, types of factorial design, that is z to the power k, z to the power k is a fact. The type of, that is factorial design is one type, that is one type is z to the power k, where z equal to factor, or sorry, k is equal to factors. How many factors? That is k, and z is equal to, z is known as level. Z is known as levels, and k is known as factor. For example, suppose 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means this is a factorial design. 2 to the power 2 means factorial design. This 2 means, that is this 2 power is 2. 2 to the power 2, that is k value is 2. Here k equal to 2, we can say k equal to 2, that is factors. How many factors? 2 factors. And these two means level, each factor having two level. Each factor having two levels. Two levels. Like A is a factor, suppose two factors here. A is factor, two factors, each factor having two levels. Factors generally we write in capital letters. Factors of factorial design. Factor of factorial design is denoted by factors. Factors of factorial design is denoted by capital letters, like A, B, C, etc. And level is known as, level is denoted by, small letter of English alphabet, capital letter of English alphabet, and levels are denoted by small letters like A, B, C, dot, dot, dot. So in 2 square factorial design, I already told there are two factors. So say A factor and B factor. This power is 2, 2 square. This 2 means this number of factors. A factor having two level, B factor having two level. This 2 means each factor having two level. One is lower level and upper, and another is upper level. Lower level, upper level, or even higher level. Lower level and higher, L and H, higher level. Lower level is, you can say 0, that is A0, A1. You can say here B0, this is B1. B0 is known as lower level of B, and B1 is higher level of B. 2 square factorial design means there are two factors, each factor having two levels. Say factor A, factor B, two factors. This is factor A, factor B. Factor A having two level, lower level and higher level. A0 is the lower level, B1 is the higher level. Similarly, factor B, B0 is the lower level, B1 is the higher level. So in suppose in 2q factorial design, that is 2q factorial design. So some questions like, you can say What do you mean by 2q factorial design? So in 2q factorial design, this 3, that is k equal to 3, that is compare this with this, that is z to the power k. So k value is 3, k value is 3, so that is 3 factors, 3 factors. And here is 2, that means each factor having two levels, each factor having two levels. Okay, so in z to the power k, this compare with this, that is 2q factorial design. There are 3 factors, each factor having two levels. Like if I write this, suppose factor a, factor b, and this is factor c, each factor having two level, like level, this is known as level. This is a0, a1, this is b0, this is b1, this is c0, this is c1. These are the levels. Levels means level means, suppose doses of medicine. Doses of medicine is known as level. Suppose Disprin, and this is Disprin. This is suppose Panadol tablet. Disprin having suppose 10 mg. This is 5 mg and 10 mg. So 5 mg is known as 5 mg. There are two levels of suppose Disprin. So A is a factor. Suppose it is known as suppose Disprin. And B is another factor, suppose Panadol tablet. Panadol, Disprin tablet and Panadol tablet. Okay. Disprin tablet having suppose two doses are there, 5 mg and 10 mg. And Panadol suppose 10, 50 mg, say 50 mg and 100 mg. 100 mg. So these are known as level. These are known as level. Here also same thing. There are 3 factors. Suppose 3 factors. Each factor having 2 levels. Levels, understand? Like for example, in real life example, I can say, suppose homeopathic medicine, that is Arnica. Arnica is a famous homeopathic medicine. So there are so many potencies are there. They're like 6, 30, 200. That is Arnica. Arnica is a factor. Arnica. It has suppose 6, 30, then 200. These are known as level 6, 30, 200. So Arnica has 3 levels, say 6, 30, 200. These are the levels. Sometimes the doctors are applying 6, potency 6, potency 30, or potency 200. So doctors suppose prescribe 30, Arnica 30 for painkiller. Okay, so that means 30 is known as here level, 20, 200 is known as level, 6 is known as level, different levels. Okay, so see, this is actually level. These are known as level. Okay, so now if I say another factorial design like 3, 4, 3 by this 2q factorial design. In 2q factorial design or 2 square factorial design can be written as 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2q factorial design also can be written as 2 by 3 factorial design. 2 by 3 factorial design. We call it as by 2 into 3. Don't say 2 into 2 by 3 factorial design. 2 by 2 factorial design. Suppose 2 to the power 4. Suppose 2 to the power 4. There are 4 factors, each factor having 2 levels. Each factor having 2 levels. Z to the power k means there are k factors, each factor having z level. Each factor having z level. Z to the power k means there are k factors, each factor having z level. So 2q factorial design, there are 3 factors. There are 3 factors, each factor having 2 levels. So if I say 3 square factorial design, if I say 3 square factorial design, another type of factorial design, another type of factorial design, another type of factorial design, say 3 square factorial design. 3 square factorial design. This compare with z to the power k Z to the power k. So what is the value of k? K equal to here, this compare with this, k equal to, say k equal to here is 2. 2 factors. What do you mean by Z to the power k? What do you mean by Z to the power k? There are Z factors, each factor having Z level. There are, so 3 square means there are 2 factors, each factor having, each factor having 3 levels. Here is 3, so 3 levels. 3 levels. Say each factor having 3 levels. Say level 2 factors are there, factor A, and this is factor B. Factor A having 3 levels. Each factor having 3 levels. I am just describing here. This is 3 levels. This is 3 levels. 3 levels. Okay. Okay. Suppose 3 levels. Suppose level. Suppose -1, that is 0 level. This is +1. -1, minus, say it is A0, this is A1, this is A2, this is B0, this is B1, this is B2. These are known as level. These are known as level. Okay, these are known as level. That is 2 factors, factor A, factor B, each factor having 3 levels. These are known as level. So by this way we can define 3 square factorial design, 3q factorial design. Similarly 2 square, 2q, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, say 2 to the power 5 factorial design. 2 to the power 5 factorial design. That means there are 5 factor, each factor having 2 levels. Okay, 3 to the power 4 factorial design. That means there are 4 factor, each factor having 3 levels. Okay, like this. Okay, these are the different types of factorial design. Now, one new type of factorial design. Say another type, that is another type of factorial design. If I say 3 by 3 by 4 factorial design, what do you mean by? What do you mean by 3 by 3 by 4 factorial design? Factorial design. What do you mean by 3 by 4 by 3 by 3 by 4 factorial design? This means that 3 by 3 by 4 factorial design means, it means 3 factors. There are 3 factors, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 factors. There are 3 factors. Factor A, factor A, factor B, factor C. Factor A has level 3. A has level 3. B has level, here is 3, so level 3, and C has level 4. So this means that first factor, factor A say having level 3, this 3 means factor B has level 3, here 4 means factor C having level 4. So this means that there are 3 factors, factor A, factor B, and factor C. So factor A has uh, factor A has level 3, factor B has level 3, and factor C has level 3. Now one thing is, remember, a factorial design does not have to have just 2 independent variables. It may have many independent variables. Be careful. There may be many independent variables. That means more than, I already told, more than one independent variable. Now, number of treatment combination. How to find the number of treatment combination? This thing I will explain now. Number of treatment combination. Number of, how to find number of treatment combination. how to find the number of treatment combination of factorial design. Okay. So how to find the number of treatment combinations? Say factor A, factor A having factor A having factor A having A level, factor B having B levels. Then then there are then the treatment combination treatment combination is A into B, that is AB. So treatment combination is AB. That means you have to multiply the levels. Multiply the levels, then you get the treatment combination. Suppose in 2 to the power 3 factorial design, for example, factorial design. How many factors? Factor A having how many levels? 2 levels. Factor B, 2 levels. Factor C, 2 levels. So therefore, treatment combination TC. Treatment combination is denoted by TC. TC equal to 2 into 2 into 2. That comes 8 treatment combinations. So if a factor A having A levels, factor B having B levels, then treatment combination is AB. So if factor C, another factor C having C levels, then the treatment combination will be A into B into C. That means you have to multiply the levels, then we get the treatment combination. Say 3 square factorial design. Say 3 square factorial design. 3 square factorial design. So how many levels here? So 2 factors, factor A, factor A, factor B. Factor A having 3 levels. Factor A having 3 levels. Factor B having 3 levels. Why? Because 3 square is there. These two means factors. How many factors? 2 factors. Say factor A and factor B. So each factor having 3 levels. That means this 3 means each factor having 3 levels. So factor A having 3 levels, factor B having 3 levels. 2 factors I already told. So I am saying that factor A and factor B. Factor A having 3 levels, factor B having 3 levels. So therefore, treatment combination TC of 3 square factorial design, 3 square factorial design is equal to 3 into 3. That comes 9. 9 treatment combination. In this factorial design, there are 9 treatment combination. I'm not writing all treatment combination in this lecture. You will see in my next lecture I will explain how to write the treatment combination. Here how to find the number of treatment combination. Be careful. I'm just finding how many numbers, not writing the actual how many treatment combination. I'm not writing in this lecture. I'll explain this in my next lecture. That is lecture number 4. You will get how many how to find how to get the all treatment combination. So here you can find, suppose in 2 to the power 5 factorial design, 2 to the power 5 factorial design. How many treatment combination? TC equal to, there are 5 factors, each factor having 2 levels. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 32 TC, treatment combination. 32. 32 is the answer. Treatment combination is 32. 2 to the power 6 factorial design. 2 to the power 6 factorial design. Tell me. So how many 2's are there? In 2 to the power in 2 to the power 6 Tc is equal to Tc equal to 2 into 2. How many times? 6 times. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 64 treatment combinations. So by this way you can find. Okay. So that means formula is 2 to the power n factorial design. How many treatment combination? 2 to 2 n times. 2 to 2 treatment combination Tc equal to 2 into 2 into 2 dot n times. N times. If it is 5, then 5 times. If it is 4, then 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the power 4 factorial design. 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 factorial design. Tc equal to, tell me, Tc equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That comes 16. That means the n is 4 here. So 2, 2, 2, 4 times. 2 to the power in 2 to the power. Be careful. What I am writing here, this is the formula actually. In 2 to the power n factorial design, treatment combination equal to 2 into 2 into 2 dot n times. 2 to n times. Okay. 2 n times. Okay. This is known as treatment combination. That means how to find the number of treatment combination. Okay. So now, as that last topic I'm doing here, that is layout of factorial design. Layout, already I explained. Layout of factorial design. Layout. Suppose 2 square factorial design. Factorial design. 2 square factorial layout of factorial design. In 2 square factorial design, there are 2 factors because here is 2. 2 factors, say A and B. Factor A, say A equal to, say, Panadol tablet. Factor B, say Disprin tablet. Okay. So factor A has 2 level, that is A0, A1. This is B0, this is B0, B1. Okay. This is A0, A1 is the factor of Panadol tablet. B0 and B1 is the that is these two are labels. A0, A1 are the labels of Panadol. B0 and B1 are the labels of Disprin. This is actually low level. This is high level, upper level, upper level, or you can say high level, low level, or upper level. So this is the layout of factorial design. Okay, this is the layout of factorial design. Okay, so now if I write like this, suppose A factor, this is B factor, this is B0, this is B1. Factor A having A0, A1, factor A. This is B0. Okay. Okay. So now you just see okay. So in 2 square factorial design, how many levels? 2 into 2, that comes 4. Sorry, 4 treatment combination. 4 treatment combination. Okay. You can write down like this into this, that is A0, B0. This is A1, B0. This is A0, B1. This is A1, B1. These are the four treatment combination. These are the actually layout of factorial design. I think you understood very nicely in this lecture. So I explained different type of factorial design, how many treatment combination of a factorial design you have learned, and you have learned the layout of factorial design. So I'll come with my next lecture, how to write the treatment combination of a factorial design. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.